Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the screen recording features from the Mi 11 to the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, so both phones are kind of different price range segments, and the reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because both phones, they're having the 120 Hz display refresh rate, and let's see the screen recording features. Which phone can support the maximum FPS recording? So is there any 120 FPS recording, or is there any 90 FPS recording? So let's explore the features, friends. That's why I thought of comparing both phones side by side. And Mi 11 has got the recent update with the MIUI, and whereas the Poco X3 is still having the previous version only. So that's why I thought of mentioning this kind of comparison, so you know exactly what are the changes is happening with the Mi 11. Then definitely it will reflect in the Poco X3 in the upcoming updates. So let's get started, friends. And just in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for more live wallpaper videos. So let me try to turn on the screen recording option in the Poco X3, and here is the screen recording option. Let me try to go to the settings by long pressing on that. So here is the settings, and let me even start the same procedure in this Mi 11. And now both are at the settings page, as you can clearly see here, friends. So first option is resolution, as you can see, and in case if you want to download the live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description to install the same kind of wallpaper which I am using. So first is the resolution. So you can see the maximum resolution right now is at 1080, but in the Mi 11 there is another option. So if you go to the display, and if you change the display resolution to the Quad HD, the screen recording option also changes. So let me try to come back to the screen recording. So let me try to exit and maybe open again. So let me try to exit and open again. So it should be able to change. So let me change even the refresh rate to the maximum. So refresh rate is also to the maximum I set. And let me try to go back to the screen recording, and let's see, friends, what other changes will happen. So as I said, as you can see, the resolution right now you are seeing about Quad HD 1440. As you can clearly see the difference. So these are difference in the Mi 11. So the reason is because the phone display has the Quad HD, so that's why they added the extra benefit. And next, let's explore the video quality. So video quality, you do get multiple options in the Poco X3. So in the Poco X3 you get starting from the 1 Mbps to the 100 Mbps. But in the Mi 11 you don't get that kind of option, so starting point will be the 16 Mbps. So that is a one change. And next is the orientation auto, so both are kind of same. And sound source, both options are same. And fixed frame rate, that is also same. And in the frame rates, if you observe, as you can see, friends, you do have 6 different options: 15 fps, 24, 30, 48, 60 and 90 fps recording. So this is what I'm talking, friends. Some of the features which are implemented in the Mi 11, and still they need to implement on this Poco X3 in the next upcoming days. So next option is a lock screen to end. So same option, show touch gestures, visual navigation buttons, go back to the screen recording. So most of the options are completely same, friends, so except the video quality, resolution and the frame rate. So these where the things are quite different between both the phones. And for more this kind of interesting comparisons, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.